Samsung has announced a free one-time screen replacement offer for Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Ultra users in India. The program covers the common green line display issues seen in some devices. While the screen itself will be free of cost, users may need to pay a small labor charge. Samsung India, one of the leading names in the consumer tech world, has extended its free one-time screen replacement program to its older flagship smartphones Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Ultra. These models, which were launched in 2023, have been facing the green line display issue, as many users have reported about the issue, which several users have reported over time. To resolve this, Samsung is offering a complimentary screen replacement valid till September 29, 2025. According to Samsung, the offer is valid for eligible Galaxy S23 and S23 Ultra devices that show the green line display problem. Customers can visit the nearest Samsung authorized service center to claim the benefit. The program ensures that users don't have to pay for the costly screen replacement, though a nominal labor charge will still apply. To make the process easier, Samsung has also allowed appointments through the Samsung Care app. Users can book a slot online, after which a device eligibility check will be carried out by Samsung's customer care team. If the phone passes the checks and matches all program conditions, the screen will be replaced free of charge. Initially, reports suggested that the offer would last till October 31, 2025, but Samsung has further confirmed that the last date is September 29, 2025, which means that the scheme will last for a month time only. After the given date, users will no longer be able to claim the free replacement benefit. Hence, Galaxy S23 and S23 Ultra owners are advised to take timely action. Screen replacements for premium flagship devices like the Galaxy S23 Ultra can cost a significant amount, often exceeding 15,000 rupees to 20,000 rupees. With this initiative, Samsung is helping Indian users save on expensive repairs, ensuring better customer satisfaction.